right? I mean, I think security is an innate quality of any strategy. It's got to be there, right? And you look at what the federal government's already done. I mean, they've got a lot of initiatives underway to help us be more secure. I think one of the things that we're looking at, and I think it goes to Neil's point, is we need to start protecting the information, right? We've been very device-centric, right? We're going to approve the device. We're going to make sure that its encryption is FIPS certified. You know, we've done all these things, and it's always been around the device, right? And where we really need to shift is, how do we secure the information? I really want to get out of the device business, right? It's very difficult, especially as devices are released. It just seems like every day there's a new device on the market. It's very difficult for any organization, and I would say both corporate and federal, to keep up with that type of turnover within the manufacturing community for those devices. We really need to shift our focus and protect the information, right? And that's where we need to get to. I don't have the staff, and really, we really shouldn't be focused on the device. We should be focused on the information. We want to get out of that business, really. And I think there's several folks here who are actually looking at or have solutions or are doing a lot of good thinking around that. This is really where the government needs to start adopting those instead of trying to go off and create our own one-offs because there's been some sort of mandate that says it's just a little bit different. I think one of the things that we've identified, especially as we've gone to a cloud solution for email, yes, we're a little bit different, but you know, they're doing it pretty good on the corporate side too, and yeah, we do things a little bit differently, but we really need to look at other opportunities within the space. We need to get out of the device business because you bring up a good point. I look at just the help desk side of it, right? When a user has a hard drive crash, you know, and we need to replace the desktop or the hard drive, how many hours do we spend trying to rebuild this thing and restore their data, right? What it needs to be is we drop the laptop or the desktop or whatever top on their desk, we plug it in, and it synchronizes itself. It replicates applications back. We need to get the help desk people away from the desk so we can get the users more productive. And wherever they take the device, they can be secure. Again, security is not just within the walls, it's also when they travel. And really, that's part of the strategy, is make sure we can actually patch those devices wherever, whenever.